All right.
Wait.
What?
There I go.
What? Am I going now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sounds good. So this is live from my kitchen once again. And we're going to do a little fraction and a fraction on top of a fraction and more fractions. Kind of like inception, a little bit. So you're going to see a problem with a bunch of fractions in it, and the first thing you should do, like we've been doing, is factor. So I'm going to factor the top, take a 2 out. I have an x squared minus 1. Crud, that's a difference of squares. So this guy's going to factor as an x minus 1, x plus 1. And then on the bottom, I've got 2 times x plus 1. Sorry, like that. There. And then I'm going to factor that guy. And let's see. I've got 2 things that multiply to negative 3. So I know it's got to be a 3 and a 1. I want to get to a negative 2, so this guy's got to be negative, and this guy's got to be positive. Alright, so now that I factored it, I need to get a common denominator on the bottom. So I'm going to multiply this fraction by x minus 3 on top and on bottom. When I do that, I'm going to come over here, I guess. I still have 1 over 2 times x minus 1, x plus 1. And then over, now I've got 2x minus 6. So let's see, that's going to be 2x plus an x is 3x. And then 2 times negative 3 is going to give me a minus 6. Over my common denominator, x plus 1, x minus 3. And then a variation on our dividing fractions is easy as pie. We're going to flip the bottom and multiply. So we've got 1 over 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 1. I'm going to flip the bottom, and I'm going to actually flip it this time. So I'm going to put x plus 1 times x minus 3 on top. On bottom, I'm going to have 3x minus 6. So then my x plus 1's cancel. And let's see, does anything else cancel? Doesn't look like it. So I'm going to end up with an x minus 3 on top. I've got this x minus 1 on bottom. I see here I can take a 3 out. When I do that, I've got x minus 2. So I've also got an x minus 2 on bottom. And then this 3 and a 2, 3 times 2 is 6. So there would be my final answer. So fraction inside of a fraction on top of a fraction with more fractions is kind of just what we've been doing. You factor, you get a common denominator, and then you flip the bottom and multiply. Once you do that, you can cancel things out and rewrite your final answer. And that's it.